Trying to start smoking. That's my goal this year. I want to be a smoker. You know, I've tried smoking cigarettes and cigars, briskets, just anything to get going. The reason I want to start smoking is because smokers do this cool thing where they do the inhale talk. You know what I'm talking about? I hope I don't have my kids this weekend. There's nothing they can't say without this sounding cool. You know what I mean? Yeah, doctor said it's stage 4. My girlfriend said if I start smoking, she'll break up with me, so it's good to know I have a way out for $10. Then I can be like, it's not gonna work out.